Okay, when I say this is a slow process, I'm not exaggerating. So from here to there, which is about 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 foot, 5 absolute max. It's 20 minutes of sanding. So we got 1, 2, 3. So just this one side, you're talking a minimum of an hour all by itself. So take your time, do a good job. Just look at the grain. You'll never see this. This, right? It just looks like plain old wood. You sand it. I don't know if you can see this grain. Let me get my shades here. You can see that grain that you would never see if you didn't sand it. So if you just want a structure, don't spend the time. But if you want your structure to be like, I don't know, pretty artwork, whatever. It's the difference between people who like wood and people who love wood.